everyone, and welcome back to my crafting world. My name is Anna. So I know I'm a little late today posting the February Freebie Friday video, but I had lunch with my granddaughter at school for her birthday. So now normally I try to record everything before, but it's been so crazy this week. Anyway, today's SVG, free SVG, is brought to you by Dreaming Tree, and it is the cutest little purse. And guys, you know I love my purses. So this one, I guess I could have put tape on it, but yeah, no, I didn't because it's so crazy busy. So let me get my glue because we're going to put this together, and it just comes with a few pieces. I mean, really, it's so easy to put together. It comes with your main piece for your actual purse, and then it comes with a couple of flowers, and I've just gone ahead and distressed the edges on the flower a little bit. And then it comes with this cute little layering piece right here, and then this piece right here. So I did distress these as well, just to give it a little more color. So your main piece comes like this, and all I've done is folded the score lines, which you can see them a little bit better on the back. You have these going along the sides, and then you have these where your purse actually folds in a little bit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I am going to glue the purse together, and they just go like this. Okay, so I'm going to try not to put my big head in the way. So I am going to shake this glue up a little bit. Here we go. Just put a little bit of glue on this one. And then just make sure it's straight. And for me, it's easier just to put it down and make sure it's straight that way. Pretty straight. And then I will do this side. Oh my gosh, guys, I feel so winded. I had a little health scare the other day, or on Wednesday, and I still don't feel like I've recovered from that. You know, I am in really, really good health, but for some reason Wednesday was so scary. My nephew nearly called 911 because I passed out, and I'm not sure why, but that is not fun, guys. If you've ever passed out, you know what I was going through, but it was not fun. Anyway, enough about me. I hope you guys have been taking advantage of the free SVG files, because there are some really cute ones out there, and they are, I mean, really so easy to put together. You don't, I mean, they come with instructions, but oh, I put this one down a little bit crooked. There we go. They come with instructions, but generally you honestly don't need them because they are super simple. So Dreaming Tree has some really cute SVG files, and they're not expensive at all. And I love 3D projects, and I really like this little purse. You know, I guess, in all honesty, I guess I could have put the other pieces down first before I assembled the purse, but it is what it is. I didn't. So let's just keep going, and I'm just folding this one. This is your bottom layering piece for your bag, and that creates that little bottom of your bag. So let me put some glue on that. Oh. And I didn't even put down my little poster board to make sure I didn't get glue on everything. You know, guys, I'm getting ready to reorganize my craft space because I honestly don't have the space that I need for my, for my crafting. I've ordered a couple of items to help me organize a little bit better. I'm gonna have to show you a before and after. Let me know if you want to see what it looks like before, because it's pretty messy. I mean, because I don't have it organized. I think that if I have it organized, there's a spot for everything and it'll be easier. But anyway, there's the little bottom piece. That's so cute. So it looks the same on either side. And then the next piece is this one. This will go right here. And you know where it goes because it'll fit. I mean, it'll fit your bag right at the, right spot. So this one's my next piece. And I could see some cute little trim or something on this to make it stand out a little bit more. But this is really, really cool for a quick little, gift bag. I should have made one earlier. Oh my gosh, guys, I found the cutest little succulent at our grocery store, and it was in a little unicorn ceramic pot. It was so adorable. My granddaughter loves unicorns, and it was just so beautiful. They painted the succulent, and I hope that paint is safe for that succulent. They painted the succulent like a magenta color. Oh, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I'm gonna go ahead and turn these leaves up a little bit, curl them up a little bit. You know what I didn't get? I don't think I got a center for the flower. I should have. I'll probably find one here in a little bit. So this will go in the center, like so. Put a little gift in here. Oh, that little succulent would have, I don't think it would have fit actually. I don't like to press really hard because then you get that hard line. But this, I made all of this with scraps, guys, except the actual purse. That was a full sheet of paper, and the rest was with scraps. And this darker flower is 110-pound cardstock, so it makes it a little harder to curl the leaves. That's good right there. And then of course you off center that right there as best you can. Isn't that cute? I think that's adorable. Because you know I love my purses and bags and boxes and bows. We all do. All right, guys, here's that one. Off center just a little bit. Now I could put what I have in front of me. I have pom-poms, I have flowers. I don't like that. I do have flowers. I could do that one. Oh, that looks cute. I think I'll do that one. Of course, I would probably turn on my hot glue gun, but by the time it heats up, this video is already running late. What else do I have? I have some pearls. Oh, that's cute. Is it? You know what? I'm gonna put that on there. Probably don't need them all. Like 4 of them on each side. Come on. Let me get my tweezers. My big old fingers aren't letting me do the job. Okay. Oh, that looks cute. Oh, isn't that cute? Yes, I think that's cute. Okay, let me get another one. And of course the tweezers. Oh, how cute is that? Maybe I should put one at the bottom. What do you guys think? Let's see what that looks like. Nah, that's a little too much. What about some bling at the bottom? Would that look good? Nope, 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 nope. We're gonna leave the bottom as is. All right, guys, see how quick and simple that was? The cute little bag. I mean, you could embellish it, a little bow right here. I mean, you could just embellish it so much more. I like that. That is so adorable. I mean, it makes a really, really quick gift box. I mean, you know, for a small gift, but still. All right, guys, I hope you have enjoyed today's little freebie tutorial, and thank you so much for watching, guys. I appreciate you, and you all have a wonderful day. I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks a lot.